Hi folks, welcome to Jimbo 360. This is going to be this will be the fourth series of the Costco chicken. So today I'm going to show you. I want to make some chicken fried rice from the Costco chicken that I have left over. We're going to make chicken fried rice. So stay tuned. Okay folks, we're gonna do the chicken fried rice. So the ingredients are, of course, rice, and then we have garlic, chicken powder, soy sauce, butter, egg, and some carrot and peas, and of course our chicken, our favorite Costco chicken. I'm just gonna take the skin off, but I'm saving the skin for the soup, for the broth. And I think I'm going to use, maybe just try 3/4 of the breast. I'm going to leave a little bit for the soup. I'll slice it, cut it into maybe like a cube, if I can do that. Let me see. Okay. Okay, I believe that's enough, and I'm going to save this small portion for the chicken noodle soup. I'm going to add this other ingredients, the lemongrass powder. I usually use fresh lemongrass, but since I don't have it, I'm going to use this lemongrass powder. Okay folks, I'm gonna just add the oil, about 2 tablespoons, and then I'm gonna add garlic, just for maybe 1 minute, cook the garlic for about a minute. I have my wife helping me, so I don't need to do the one hand fried rice. Now this is okay. This is good. As long as you can smell the fragrance of the garlic, that should be okay. You don't want to burn the garlic. You want to make sure the rice get all the oil, so that's why you kind of stir it. That's why they call it stir fried rice. You have to keep stirring. You want to blend the oil with the rice. Now I'm going to add the chicken powder. And a little bit of pepper. The salt, I'm going to see if it's needed, because the chicken powder has salt in there. And then I have to add soy sauce. So maybe we don't need to add salt. You just go with your, you taste it, and see if it needed or not. Now I'm gonna add the vegetable. Start to look good now. I remember I started to do fried rice when I was like 8 or 9 years old. My mom usually loved the way I do the fried rice because I always make it like, crunchy. In the Philippines, people love, I think they love, sometimes they love the crunchy rice, usually the burnt one underneath the pan. But I mean, I don't do like something like that, I don't burn it. And add a little bit of this lemongrass powder. And I'm gonna, I don't want to put too much soy sauce, so I'm gonna maybe use this one. Just drizzle it, and we'll see if we need more or not. Just keep stirring it. Now we're gonna add the egg. One egg. Turn down the heat a little bit, as I can see it's kind of cooking quick, but that's good. When you do a fried rice, you want to make sure all the rice is they kind of separated. You don't want to have a fried rice like that kind of stick together. That's why you have to keep stirring. And it's always good to use the rice is like a day old. Usually it's good, like you have leftover rice and then you do the fried rice tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to add the chicken. Add the chicken. I'm going to add the butter last. This is almost done. So I add the Costco chicken. Just want to taste it, see just need more soy sauce on that. And you can use a little bit more soy sauce just for the color, but for us it's already good. I mean, it's we kind of be careful with the salt, you know, consuming of the salt. That looks good. I'm gonna add butter. And then it should be done. Just kind of spread it so the fried rice can get the flavor of the butter. And then if you like, you know, you can also add a little bit of sesame oil, if you like sesame oil. Okay, this is done. Let's turn off the heat and just keep stirring. It smells so good, folks. Hi folks, so that is my Costco chicken fried rice with lemongrass. I hope you like it. If you do, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.